everybody, my name is Anna and today I will talk about how to make a card. Why do I make a card? Because today is my mom's birthday, so I want to make a card to give her. But first, get the thing that you need. We need a pen or a pencil, here, a sheet of paper, and some colors. Okay, let's start. Put all the things on the desk or the table. And step 3, fold a paper in a half, like this. Now, 4, make the paper look cool. And what color will I choose? I think I will choose this one. Yeah, I will choose the green one. Make a silver. Yeah. Wait a minute. Now let's see what will we have a brown. Now we will make the color black green. Okay. Here I will make this to make it like grass. Here and here. Like this is awesome. Awesome. Now let's go to the other part. We will draw a flower. Here, a flower and a tree. A tree, and we'll draw on this. Here, a tree. No, color it. Here, and do you have green? I have it. So, here. Now color on the up. Here, I'm done. Yeah, beautiful. And now open the cards and write something on the paper. I will make some lines. Two lines. Dear Mom. Dear Mom. I love you. I'm so happy to in your birthday. so happy when I no, I'm wrong. When I was in your birthday. Your birthday. Love, Anna. Love, Anna. And you write like this. Yeah, you write like this, okay? And then you can draw in this too. When it's like this, and you can draw it too. Draw in this too. Okay? I will draw some fluffy clouds to make snow. Here and 2 clouds. Here, you see, this is clouds, and then I will draw snow. Now we can make a dot. I love making dots. Here is snow.
Yeah.
Snow. And this is the land. Wait. I will draw a snowman. I will draw him a hat. Oh no! No. Cái khăn quàng cổ là gì? Cái khăn quàng cổ là gì?
Scarf.
And a scarf. Yeah, and I would draw another cloud snow too. What is that snowing? Here. You see, it's done. And this part you can draw anything you like, yeah? Like I love spring. In spring instead, I will draw a chunk cake. And soon I will draw peach blossom and chunk cake. Chunk cake. I go to my granny house and decorate the peach blossom and eat the chunk cake. Yummy! I will draw it. Oh, and goodbye. See you next time.